my gosh. Maybe it's because of the because of the smoke. Lag ako because of the smoke. Juvimar, how is it now? Toxic? I don't think so. People here are so friendly, they're welcoming, and actually yun yung isa sa mga culture shock ko dito. People here tend to small talk. Kahit sabihin nila na, oh, I like your shirt. You have to. Parang obligated ka to share a little story about your shirt para magka-continuous yung convo nyo. So, yun. And I do skills ko, not just the language itself, but siguro yung how you communicate with people. Di pwede yung introvert. Totoo. Feeling ko talaga as I age, nagiging introvert ako, but because I'm here, parang mas na-exercise ko yung fear ko of like talking to strangers, and also may konting fear din na baka alam mo yun, siguro sa atin ba yun, or baka mali yung English ko, ganun. So, parang may konting anxiety doon, but kinakaya ko naman. Kaya naman. It's so hard kaya to communicate if it's not your main language na ginagamit, diba? So, yun. But also, eto ngayon, that's why I go outside. That's why I immerse myself. Para siyang desensitization. You know, para you immerse yourself in the culture so that hindi ka, parang innocente your whole life. Ganun ba yun? So, New York is that city for me. Char! Grabe ang English.
My life is so full, and I have so many things I want to do, and so many places in my life I want to pour love into, and I don't feel like it needs to be everything. My life is. You were singing out. Hustle, baby. And we start.
Angel, nasa Bryant Park tayo, di ba? Harap ng Bryant Park is the library. Pwede kang pumasok dito, but you can't go inside the library kung saan yung mga books. But this is already 5th Avenue. And then, I told you about this public library, where if you go to the 5th floor, my free balcony thing doon sa taas. It's also so nice. Pero it closes at 5 p.m. So, yun lang. Of course, why not? If my opportunity, then grab it. Siguro, may reason lang kung bakit kami napunta dito. And it's also, kahit very unfortunate yung pagkapunta namin dito, at least I'm making the most of my time here. Every day, I try to go out. Kasi syempre, New York na to eh. Nagbabakasyon nga yung iba for this. Diba? But also, it's also good for your mental health na rin. Kaya ito, naghahanap tayo ng mga freebies. Yes, Angel. Eto, you can go inside and maybe look at the books. But yung main library sa Bryant Park, hindi mo siya ma-access. For researchers lang daw yun. And yung may mga special na New York Public Library IDs. Super fast-paced. Yeah, it is. Sa sobrang fast, parang hindi ko na malaya na almost 3 years na kami dito. Ang daming nangyayari in those 3 years, but super grateful. And I get to share it with you guys. Kayo na nag-enjoy to watch my live. I'll be ending the live in my train station is here sa 34th. Galing tayong Bryant Park, di ba? Go further down. Kasi Bryant Park is around, 40th Street. Going down here is papunta na tong Midtown, Koreatown, papuntang Macy's, MSG, etong area na to. Eto pala yung nakita kong nag-viral to. Para siyang cheese. If mahilig kayo sa cheese, revolving cheese, what do you call this? Parang revolving cheese buffet siya. So, pwede kang mag-wine and then gusto kong dalhin yung friends ko dyan. Tapos, lahat kami lactose intolerant. Pero ang gandang experience niyan. Different types of cheese na parang buffet. Thank you, Garnet. I like your name. Ay. Lots of walking talaga. This is my goal. Siguro, estimate ko mga naka 9K steps na ako. Pagdating natin doon sa Herald Square, baka na to? 11K steps na. It's already 8:21. Sarah Real. Soon. Makakapunta ka rin dito. Wag lang sanang maabutan sa mga ganito. Alam niyo ba yung latest dito sa New York, guys?
I remember.
May Legionnaire's disease. Yung mist from the cooling towers, nakakasakit. Tapos, yung mga salad, yung mga veggies dito is infested daw with parasites. Tapos eto, the Canadian wildfires and the very, what do you call this? Bad air quality right now. We're walking down 5th Avenue towards Koreatown, Herald Square, Macy's, that area. And doon na tayo mag-e-end. If you have questions, join lang kayo sa chat. Yes, same lang tayo ng time sa Philippines. Bale, you guys are ahead. Here.
Let's see who you got.
How soon after starting have you talked about this? And next day, how soon after starting to feel more?
What?
Think,
Is it? I think that's gin.
it's in notice on next week. Okay. I wanted to learn from how today went. And then
I got Jimin!
good. I don't know what does that mean. I'm happy for you. Why?